ተጠባቂው የማንቸስተር ዩናይትድ እና የአስቶን ቪላ ጨዋታ በማንቸስተር ዩናይትድ የ3-1 አሸናፊነት ተጠናቋል። ሁለቱም ክለቦች በሊጉ እኩል 51 ነጥቦችን ሰብስበው ነበር የተገናኙት። እናም ዩናይትድ የጨዋታም ሆነ የጎል የበላይነቱን ወስዶ ጣፋጭ ድል በአስቶን ቪላ ላይ ማስመዝገብ ችሏል። እስኪ ሰው ጥሩልኝ እንደ ካስሜሮ መረብን ነቅናቂ በቴስታ ቀምሮ ተብሎ የተዘመረለት የቴስታ ስፔሻሊስቱ ካስሜሮ በ53ኛው ደቂቃ ዩናይትድን ቀዳሚ ያደረገ ጎል አስቆጠረ። ጨዋታው ቀጠለ። በ64ኛው ደቂቃ ሮዝ ባርክሌ አስቶን ቪላን አቻ ያደረገ ጎል አስቆጠረ። በ71ኛው ደቂቃ የማንቸም የምንጊዜም እንቁ ተጫዋች ማቲያስ ኩንሃ ዩናይትድን በድጋሚ ሞሪ ያደረገ ጎል አስቆጠረ። እኛስ ሳንፈራም ደቂቃ አለቀ ብለን የቁርጥ ቀን ደራሽ ሼሽኮ ያለልን ተብሎ የተዘመረለት ቤንጃሚን ሼሽኮ ተቀይሮ ገብቶ በ81ኛው ደቂቃ የዩናይትድን አሸናፊነት ያረጋገጠ ጎል አስቆጠረ። እናም በጨዋታው ማንቸስተር ዩናይትድ የ3 ነጥብና የጎል የበላይነትን ወስዷል። በዚህም የተነሳ የሶስተኝነት ደረጃውን ያለማንም ተቀናቃኝነት መቆናጠጥ ችሏል።
Tries to open them up. Mings gets underneath it. Heads wide.
Well, I actually think that's an easier chance than Casemiro.
It's Buendia.
And Dini plays it back into a dangerous area, and then you're just talking about whether Ross Barkley has the technique, and by goodness does he. It's on his weaker left foot, but his concentration is absolutely fantastic. There's a look there, maybe Onana, is he blocking Lamans? That would be really harsh. Lamans has no chance on this.
Touch, and so the goal stands. Bogard
come off second best. And Manchester United have it here with Ahmad.
Situation.
Konsa put on his heels. Cunha! Manchester United back in front. Matheus Cunha back on the goal trail. Manchester United 2, Aston Villa 1.
Well, I was only just thinking how quiet he's been in this game, Cunha. Maybe not have the
smile on his face by the time he gets round it. Cunha has put a smile on Manchester in the build-up to the goal. This was the play a few moments ago.
And I'm going to be in too many favours as a player. You don't want to be known for that.
Header of Bogard. And in! It's Sesko off the bench to score for Manchester United. That's what he does. And with 10 to play, surely that's enough for Manchester United. Surely that's enough.
Well, we called it.